It's just beautiful. Hmm. Hey lovely people, welcome back to African Foods with Lily. Now if you love tasty recipes, this is the place. Subscribe and join the foodie family. Today it's all about comfort food. We are going to make some bean stew. So these are some of the ingredients we're going to use. 6 tomatoes. If you have big ones, use 3. These are very small. I have 3 green peppers, medium size. I have a lot of onions for more flavor, garlic and ginger. Ginger not only adds flavor, but it also helps with digestion. So please don't leave it out. Okay guys, so you soak your beans overnight or 2 to 4 hours. This is going to make them super soft and easy to cook. Step makes all the difference for tender beans. You get out all the ones that you don't need, toss them away. So guys, do you soak your beans overnight, or you do it like, or you don't even do it at all? Just let me know in the comment section. So please make sure you wash your beans properly, make sure that there are no stones, and you remove all the spoiled beans just like that. Okay, so now we are going to pre-boil our beans. Get your saucepan, add in your beans, all your beans, and I like to do it this way so that if there are any stones that are left on the bottom, they don't go in here. Yes, so I added in 2 tablespoons of salt and a quarter spoon of black pepper plus some rosemary. Now these are going to blend together nicely, and they're going to create an amazing aroma. And taste. So now just put them on your saucepan and let them cook for about 45 to 1 hour, or until they are very soft and tender. So as our beans cook, I'm going to cut up my dodo. We call it dodo in Uganda or East Africa. It's called amaranth. I think it has like very many names. But if you don't have this in your hometown, please feel free to add in some spinach, because guys, these are so delicious, and they also add nutrition. They're also very nutritious. So when you add them in your beans, my god, you're going to have such a wonderful time, and with a healthy body. So I'm going to add my tomatoes in my beans so that they get a bit of steam before I take off my beans. And here I'm testing whether they are ready, and yes, at this point they were ready. I cooked them for like an hour. So people usually miss this step, but it is very important. So please separate your beans from your soup. So guys, we are going to start with our flavor base here. Add in some onions in your saucepan. Feel free to use the same saucepan. By the way, there is something about its flavor, the flavor, I don't know. But yeah, let's discuss. Like, do you also do this, or do you first wash out or get a completely different saucepan? I kind of feel like there is flavor building when you use the same saucepan that you used to cook the beans. So yes, our flavor bases, we're going to start with our onions, and then there I'll go in with the garlic and the ginger. Oof, guys, listen to that sizzle. That's just beautiful. So this is where the magic begins. Guys, I wish you could smell the aromas already being formed in this place. So yes, now we are going to go in there with our tomato paste, and now we are going to add our crushed tomatoes. Remember, I first pre-boiled them to make them very soft. Let them cook down a rich thick sauce. So tell me guys, are you team thick sauce or thin light sauce? I don't know. I prefer thick sauce, very thick actually. So yes guys, do you see how those colors have changed? My god, that is flavor. We are developing flavor at this stage. Now you add in your spices. I used a tablespoon of turmeric, paprika and cumin, plus I also added in some grinded mint leaves. So you give them some time to cook, and then you go in there with your pre-boiled beans. Please stir gently. We want every bean to be coated in this delicious sauce before we add in its soup. Now yes, at this point we add in, you see how thick and rich that soup is. So we add it in there, and we are going to give it some time to simmer. So yes, now add in your fresh greens. They wilt properly and beautifully and add so much nutrition. Look at those. Oh guys, look at those gorgeous colors. Oh guys. Now you cover and let it simmer until thick. So the secret to my creamy beans is milk. Yes, this is a very important ingredient if you want thick sauce, thick beans. Yes, sorry. So you add in a cup of milk in there and let it cook, let it simmer until it's very thick and very creamy. So now add in green peppers for that beautiful crunch and that beautiful aroma it makes. Yes, you also add in 5 cubes Royco cubes, because guys, these beans are a lot. I added in 5 Royco cubes. If you don't have Royco cubes and you have stock cubes, please go in there with your stock cubes. So add in a bit of salt, and yes, please feel free to taste your food. So always test and adjust your cooking. Remember, cooking is about love and intuition. So now please serve it up with posho, rice, chapati, anything that you like. It's creamy, hearty and so satisfying. Now if you loved this bean stew, please like, comment and share with me your favorite way to enjoy beans, and share with your foodie friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Love you all. Ciao. Nice. Come on, cook.